or welcome back to another vlog. So today is December 6, 2020, day 6 of our vlogmas. Right now, it's 4:08 p.m. and kakauwi lang namin. Galing kami ng ukay-ukay dun sa ukay-ukay store. So for today's video, I'll be showing you guys what I got from the ukay-ukay. So I think I won't be editing this na very boom boom pao kasi it's almost 6 p.m. and I have to edit this video pa. Let's start with the tops muna, guys. First one is this. I won't try it on for you guys kasi hindi ko siya nalalabhan. So, ipapakita ko lang siya. First one is this, parang cardigan. It's parang large size, I think. The quality is super nice. Tapos, hindi siya mainit sa, sa skin or something. It looks brand new and yeah, it looks like this. Wala lang, ang ganda lang. Maganda to parisan ng sleeveless like this one. I also got a sleeveless. Tada! So, ganyan lang siya. Diba? So cute. This is only 35 pesos. Then, this one is, I think 50 pesos. The cardigan is 50 pesos. Then, we also have here this one. I really love shirts or tops like this. Parang varsity kind of, top. Oh! It's a baseball jersey. And I'm planning to cut it here para maging crop top siya because I think it's too big for me. I got this for 80 pesos. 80 pesos something. Tapos sa likod it's just plain. Meron lang siyang stripes sa arms. I also got another top. This is sleeveless, color gray. Para siyang turtleneck, but it's not. Parang close lang siya, close na round neck. And then, next, nagmamadali talaga ako daw. Tapos, the rest that I'm gonna show you guys are pants or mga leggings, good for workout or like going somewhere else. So, first one is this, leggings. It's color black. The tela is really good, you guys. Like, what do you call this? Hindi siya manipis and it's not too thick. Like, it's the kind of quality that I like for my leggings. So yeah, it looks like this. This is the first one that I got. Yung other two bottoms ko, nilabhan na siya ng mom ko kasi parang kinuha niya sa akin. It looks like this. Super nice. It's up until your knees lang. Then another one is this. It's still color gray, pero this one is like leggings na yung mahaba talaga na parang, what do you call that? Pants level. Looks like this. Super cute din. This is size small. I got this, by the way, for 150 pesos. Yung leggings is 150 pesos. Ang gulo-gulo ng hair ko. I'm so sorry. Maliligo ako mamaya. And this one is in the size small. It's 10% spandex, 90% polyester. I don't know. I'm just so in love with the quality. Look. You will see this on my future workout videos or yung basta I will wear this really soon. Then we also have another leggings. This one's really good too. This is in the size, wala siyang size, pero it's made in Korea. The brand is Mula Wear. And yeah, it looks like this. Ito yung logo niya. I don't know if you can tell, pero it's really a good steel. Maganda talaga yung quality niya. Kasi sa Moving Peach, parang Moving Peach. Yung Moving Peach kasi, guys, it's a store. It's an online shop sa Shopee. Then, parang ganito yung mga leggings nila. Like, ganito yung tela. Tapos, tig 700 or tig 600. Like, ang mahal talaga ng Moving Peach. Mga 600, 700, 800. Kaya yun, nung nakita ko to, binili ko na siya kasi 150 pesos lang. Then, I tried making tawad there, pero hindi talaga. Ayaw nila. Kasi, bagong bukas daw. Then, I also got... Wait. This is another type. Yes, this is another type of leggings. Ito yung nagustuhan ng moms ko. Pero hindi ko binigay kasi I like it too. This is in the size medium, by the way. Ito yung style niya. Ayan. Tara. Okay. Tapos, meron din tayong pants, guys. Wait. Last leggings. It's color blue. Ayan. Below the knees. Below the knees. Basta yung, di ba, knees? below. Under the knees? Below the knees. Ah, below the knees! Oh my god. Below the knees din yung style niya. And yung brand, guys. Lorna Jane. Oh my god. If hindi nyo kilala si Lorna Jane, i-search nyo sa Google. Super nice. The quality. Ang ganda talaga ng quality. Like, hindi makikita yung, what you call that? Yung churva nyo dito sa, cotton na to or sa tela. Perfect, Jude. As in, super in love. Like, sakto talaga siya sa akin. And, hindi ko pa siya natatry, but the way that I'm measuring stuff, if it's like, if kasha siya sa akin, is ginaganito ko. Like this, tapos ganyan. Pag nag-fit siya sa, sa arms, it means that, it fits you. Tapos, next one. This one, parang siyang slacks, guys. Na ganito yung pattern. Oh my god! Meron ako nakita sa Zara na ganito, mga 1,000 something. Tapos nakita ko siya doon, so binili ko. I got this for 130 pesos. So, diba? Ang ganda ng quality, I swear. Look. Hindi naman siya klaro, guys. I know. But, girl, it's good as new. Next, last two. Ang dami kong bottoms na binili today. Next one is this slacks. Meron to sa Bershka. Oh my god. 2,000 or something. Pero dito, guys, it's just 50 pesos lang to. 50 pesos for this one. Ayan. So, parang siyang ganyan. Kita ba? Super ganda nito. Kasi sinukat ko to kanina. And it's high waist. And then, skin tone yung color. Tapos, it fits me talaga. Like, perfect fit. It's like it was made for me. It was made for me, guys. Then, our last one is still skin tone. Skin tone yung color niya. Ayan. Skin tone, brownish, light brown, whatever. Then, ganito yung style niya. Look! Super love. Ito yung mga type ko talaga na pants. Tapos, meron siyang zipper sa sides. See? This is 150 pesos for this one, guys. Ang ganda! Kasi ang thick ng quality. Ang ganda talaga ng quality ng mga napili ko ngayon. Basta makapal yung quality. Makapal yung tela niya, guys. Yung brand niya is Save the Queen Medium. Ayan. So, yun lang, guys. Yung total ko is 1,000. Yung lahat-lahat na nabili ko is 1,000 plus something. Basta less than 1,500 lang. Including yung kinuha ni mommy. Then, yeah, that's it for today's video. Ang haggard ko na hindi pa ako naliligo kasi pumunta nga kami sa, sa Ukay-Ukay Thrift store. So, by the way, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like more videos like this, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of me. Follow me on all of my social media accounts. Everything is at Skye. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to reach your dreams because the sky is the limit. Bye! Bye! Don't worry, guys. Nag-alcohol ako.
It could be weird, but I think I'm into it. You know I'm one for the overly passionate. I like you and I loved him. We could all be the best kind of friends.